Hey everyone. AI is everywhere these days, right? It seems
Mm.
like it's going to change everything.
Yeah, for sure.
And like one of the biggest things that everyone's talking about is how AI will transform online education.
It's a hot topic.
Yeah. I mean, even Elon Musk is all about AI-powered learning.
Oh, yeah. He's a big believer in it.
So when I saw this product called AI Live School Builder,
Mm.
and it promised to let like anyone create and run their own AI schools,
Mm.
well, I just knew we had to take a deep dive into it.
It's a bold claim, that's for sure.
You think it's too good to be true?
Well, we're here to find out, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Like, let's get into the details and see what this is all about.
Yeah.
So you sent me this sales page, and
It's pretty intense.
it's a lot.
Yeah, it's packed with information.
Okay, so one of the first things that jumps out to me is how many subjects they say these AI teachers can handle.
Oh, yeah.
It's over 20.
Yeah, it's a huge range.
Everything from like math and history to coding and business skills,
Mm-hmm.
even things like yoga and mindfulness.
They're really covering a lot of ground.
Yeah, it's pretty wild.
It is.
And it's not just like pre-recorded videos. They're talking about live interactive classes with like Q&A sessions.
All led by AI, supposedly.
They even claim AI can handle like enrollment and grading and student support, basically everything.
It's certainly ambitious.
Okay, so that brings up a big question for me.
Yeah,
How realistic is it for AI to actually be a teacher?
that's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
Right. Especially across so many different subjects.
I mean, think about teaching something like creative writing or advanced physics.
Right.
Can AI really do that as well as a human?
Yeah. Can AI really give the same kind of feedback and guidance as an expert?
It's a big ask.
I know. Because like the idea of an AI that can answer any question and personalize every lesson is super exciting.
Oh, for sure.
But we have to be realistic about what AI can actually do at this
Oh,
point, right?
absolutely.
Yeah.
AI is really good at like processing information and finding patterns,
Hmm.
but teaching is so much more than that.
Okay, so what else does teaching involve then?
Well, it's about understanding the needs of each student
Right, yeah.
and adapting to different learning styles and helping students develop critical thinking skills.
Okay, yeah.
Those are all things that human teachers are still much better at.
Hmm. That's a really good point.
Yeah.
Okay, so another thing they talk about a lot in this sales page is this commercial license,
Oh, yeah.
where you can actually create AI schools and then sell them to other people.
Like a franchise.
Yeah, like instant school franchise.
That's an interesting concept.
I know.
On the one hand, it could be a great way to make education more accessible and
Yeah.
give more people the chance to be school owners.
Right?
But then on the other hand, it makes you think about quality control.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
If just anyone can make and sell these AI schools,
Right.
how do we make sure they're actually good?
Yeah. How do we know that these schools are actually providing like a valuable education?
It's a tough question.
Yeah, and then it also makes you wonder, like, who is really responsible for what's being taught in these AI schools?
Right. Who's accountable?
Yeah. And what happens if the AI teacher, like, gives out wrong information?
Or doesn't understand a student's needs?
Exactly.
It's a bit of a gray area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah.
So they talk a lot about this being a financial opportunity.
Oh, yeah.
Like, you can quit your 9-to-5 job and become financially free by running these AI schools.
They're really selling the dream.
They are. They even have all these testimonials from people who are supposedly making tons of money.
Yeah, some of them claim to be making thousands of dollars a month.
I know. It's super tempting.
I can see why people would be interested.
Okay. But I think it's important to be a little skeptical of those income claims.
Absolutely.
Like, those are probably the best case scenarios.
Yeah, not the average experience.
Right. And they don't really talk about all the other costs involved in running an online school,
Yeah.
beyond just buying the software.
Like marketing and platform fees and customer support. Exactly. All of those things add up.
Yeah, for sure.
And it's not clear if those costs are factored into their income projections.
That's a really good point.
Yeah, it's something to consider.
So we've got this picture of like AI running entire schools and attracting tons of students and people making lots of money.
Mm-hmm.
But let's zoom in a little bit now
Okay.
and talk about the AI teachers themselves and the content they're teaching.
Yeah.
So they say you can create a school in like any niche and any language
Mm-hmm.
and offer courses on anything from basic subjects to super specialized skills.
It's a pretty bold claim.
Yeah. But how deep can these AI teachers really go?
That's the question.
right? Like, can they teach quantum physics or ancient philosophy as well as a human expert?
It's hard to say.
And how well do they adapt to different languages and cultures?
That's another important consideration.
Yeah, can they really personalize their teaching for different students from different backgrounds?
It's something to think about.
It is.
Yeah. And like, what about mentorship? You know,
Well,
like human teachers inspire their students,
yeah.
not just through like what they know, but by who they are,
Right.
like their passion and their values and their experiences.
Yeah,
Can an AI really do that?
that's a great point. Can AI really connect with students on that level?
I don't know.
It makes you think.
It does.
Because, like, part of me is excited about the idea of AI teachers. Like, they're available 24/7, and they can give personalized feedback.
Yeah, and maybe they can even free up human teachers to focus on more like complex stuff.
Okay, right. But then the other part of me worries that we might be losing something important.
Yeah, like the human element of teaching.
Yeah, exactly. Like, if we rely too much on AI, are we kind of dehumanizing education?
That's a valid concern.
It is.
It kind of ties into this bigger question about technology and society.
Right.
Like, AI is getting into every part of our lives.
Yeah, it really is.
And we have to be careful about what we lose in the process.
Okay, so let's get back to this AI live school builder for a second. One of the things they really emphasize is automation. Like, the AI handles everything.
From enrollment to grading.
Yeah. Even student support.
It sounds pretty efficient.
It does. But is it realistic?
And even if it is realistic,
Yeah.
what are we giving up for that efficiency?
Okay, that's interesting. Like, what do you mean?
Well, if the AI is handling every interaction with the student, are we missing chances to build relationships?
Oh, right.
And provide individual support and
Right.
like address the student's emotional needs?
Yeah, that's a really good point.
I think so.
And what about the quality of the automation?
Right.
Like, can AI really grade essays effectively?
Or give truly personalized feedback.
Yeah. Those are things that humans are still much better at.
I agree.
Because we have judgment and empathy.
Exactly.
And even if the AI is advanced enough, there's always the chance that it will make mistakes.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Or have biases.
Right.
We see that happening all the time with AI.
Yeah, in all sorts of areas.
And education is probably no different.
It's definitely a risk.
Okay, so let's say someone is really interested in this AI live school builder. Like, they want to create their own AI-powered school.
Okay.
What advice would you give them?
I would say be careful
Okay.
and be critical. Like, don't just believe everything you read on the sales page.
Right.
Do your own research.
Okay.
Look for reviews from other people
Yeah.
and talk to teachers who are already using AI in their classrooms.
Okay.
And really think about the good and the bad before you spend any money.
Yeah, that's great advice.
Thanks.
And I think it's important to remember that AI is just a tool.
It is.
And like any tool, it can be used in good ways and bad ways.
Absolutely.
So it's up to us to decide how we want to use it in education.
You have to be responsible.
Yeah, exactly. We have the power to shape the future of education.
I agree.
It's kind of exciting and kind of scary at the same time.
It is.
So you said it's important to do your research.
Oh.
But like, what are some of the key questions people should be asking?
Well, I think the biggest question is,
Yeah.
what are our goals for education?
Go.
Like, what do we want our students to learn? And what kind of skills do we want them to develop?
Right.
And then we have to ask how AI can help us achieve those goals.
Okay.
But also, what are the risks of using AI?
Right, because it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of new technology.
Well, yeah, for sure.
Especially when it promises things like financial freedom.
And easy success.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But we need to think about the long-term consequences.
Absolutely.
Not just for ourselves, but for our students and for the future of learning.
I could agree more.
Okay, so I think this brings us to like the big question.
Yeah.
If AI really lives up to its potential in education, what does that mean for the future?
That's what I want to know.
Yeah. Like, will we see a shift from teaching to learning?
That's a good way to put it.
Like, will AI handle the what of learning? And will human teachers focus more on the why and the how?
That's an interesting thought.
It is. It's like AI could free us up to do more of the human stuff.
Yeah, like mentoring and inspiring.
Exactly. And maybe that's what will really transform education.
Maybe you're right. Yeah, for me, the big takeaway is that AI could really change education. But we have to be careful.
Okay.
We have to think about the ethics of it all.
Right.
And the quality control.
Yeah.
And what it means for human connection in learning.
Yeah, I think that's a really important point.
Yeah.
It feels like we're at this point where we could either use AI to make education better, like more accessible and personalized,
Right.
or we could end up with a system that's efficient,
Yeah.
but also kind of cold and personal.
Exactly.
So this AI live school builder, it's like a very specific vision of what AI education could look like.
It is.
And it's really focused on automation and making money.
Yeah, those are definitely big selling points.
They are. But I think anyone who's thinking about buying this product needs to really weigh the good and the bad.
Absolutely.
And think about what kind of school they actually want to create.
Yeah, like what are their values?
Right. What's important to them.
And what kind of learning experience do they want to offer their students?
Yeah, those are great questions.
Thanks.
So for everyone listening, what do you think?
Are you excited about AI in education?
Huh.
Or are you a little worried?
Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, tell us what you think.
We want to hear from you.
And whether you're excited or worried.
Yeah.
I think the most important thing is to stay informed.
Absolutely.
And keep asking questions.
Because the future of education is being decided right now.
Yeah.
And we all have a part to play in it.
Well said. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.
It's been a pleasure.
And don't forget to check out our other deep dives.
We have lots of other interesting topics.
Yeah, we'll see you next time.